Last time we worked on this one, so how we can update the specific name, I mean from the Excel file. So now what I am trying to do now. So let me open this Excel file, and so if I want to update all this data at once, for example, last time we just updated only the one line item. So for example, right now I want to update this enter the data. So how I can do with the Uipath Clipboard AI now? So just go this copy window. So I want to copy this cells. So I copied this, entered the cells. So whatever the data is, you can just select this, enter this data, and go to here and paste it. So now what it will do, it will just update the first line item. Okay, the first line item it's updated. So the next it will ask for the paste for the second row or not. If you want to skip, you can skip. If you want to continue with the paste data too, so just paste data. So what it will do now, it will just append this paste to second data. So it removing automatically the existing data and moving for the next one. Similarly, I can do for the all rest of the things. Just it will take couple of seconds to complete this task. So this is the way just a copy and paste method. This is a very sample method. So now the same thing we can maybe in future UiPath will bring some activities related to this AI. So maybe we can work with that. So now almost it's seventh is getting to complete, and another two are there. So let it close this alls, and finally we'll see once all data is completed now, we'll see what type of data it will pop up. So it is completed or it will throw some any other pop-ups. So this is the ninth one. Okay, and 10th one also yet to complete. So here all the data is completed, but it's not giving any pop-ups or nothing. So just it's completed. So if I try to paste from again, then what it will do? Let I want to see this whether it will paste. Okay. So already we have copied that data now. So this is one type kind of testing just I did. So like this. So if you want, you can go with the video tutorials is available, and you can if you want you can submit these things. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.